They say that you always remember your first house, your first job, your first car. Do you remember your first investment account? I'd be willing to bet it was a 401k, but still, most people don't understand how they work. That's what we're going to talk about today. Sit tight. Hi, I'm Antonio Cibella with Vision Wealth Management. Quick video today. We're going to do 4 things about a 401k. Going to tell you everything you need to know about it. I'm going to try and do it in 4 minutes or less. Let's see how it goes. 1, 401ks are easy. Money goes in from your employer right out of your paycheck. It can go over into the account. It can grow for you that way. You set it up typically when they offer the plan, when you get hired there. You can always change the amount that you have going in, but it's very easy to get the money into the account because it goes right from the paycheck. You probably won't even miss it. It'll just go over there and grow and do all of the stuff that it's supposed to do. So it's easy. 2, it's got tax advantages. Money that goes into a traditional 401k goes in pre-tax. That means if you make, say, $5,000 a month, you put $1,000 into the 401k because you're really saving heavy. You're only taxed on $4,000 in income. The $1,000 goes over there. It grows tax deferred. So not only was it not taxed, the money it earns is not taxed. It's taxed in the future when you retire, when you take the money out. So you've got tax advantages to the 401k. Money that goes in pre-tax and grows without being subject to taxed on the end. 3, you can put lots of money into 401ks. In 2022, you can put in $20,500 from you if you're under the age of 50. $20,500 into the 401k from you. If you're over 50, you can put in an extra $6,500 as a catch-up contribution. That's catch-up as in I'm behind, I want to catch up, not catch up like I put it on my hamburger. $6,500 catch-up contribution, so you can get $27,000 into the 401k from you. That's a lot of money. Now, be honest, most people aren't putting that much into their 401k, but you can if you wanted to. Also, you get company match money. You get free money from your company oftentimes. Now, not every employer offers it, but most of them offer some kind of match. It's money that they put in into your account for you. It's completely free. It's just extra money that they're going to give you for participating in the plan. So take advantage of the 401k match that comes from the company. Make sure you're getting at least that much money in. Lots of money can go in. That's tip number 3. Tip number 4, Roth. A lot of times now 401s have a Roth option. It's a beautiful thing. You can put money away. Now it goes in after tax. So you make $5,000 a year. You put a month, you put $1,000 into the 401k, you use the Roth option, still taxed on 5, still taxed on the whole thing. But that $1,000 plus anything it earns over all of the years, never to be taxed again. Because it's Roth money, it can become tax-free when you use it in retirement. That's a wonderful thing because there are income limitations to Roth IRAs. Lots of videos about it. I've got some, go check them out. But with the 401k Roth option, you don't have an income limit. You can make whatever you want to make. You can still contribute onto the Roth option post-tax. If you got it, it can be a tremendous thing. That's it. 4 things. I went really fast. I don't know if I'm under 4 minutes, but I'm probably pretty close. Closing thought today. Future you wants you to put all of your money into the 401k, right? They want you to save everything. Today you probably wants to buy chicken wings, so you can't put everything into the 401, or you got rent or electric. You got things that you got to pay for, but put everything you can into retirement. Future you will thank you. It really adds up, especially over a long period of time. An easy way to start if you don't have that first account is to go with the 401k if your employer offers it. And if you're already in the 401, reassess your 401. Make sure that you're putting enough into it. See if there's ways that you can improve. See if you have a Roth option. That's all for the video today. I thank you for being here. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you soon.